Jillian.
Jillian.
Oh, let me get your other arm out. Can you get it out?
She's working on it.
Oh, almost. Almost, sweetie.
Lifting her head a little bit though.
Almost. Almost. Come on. Get the other arm out. Come on, sweetie. You almost got it. You almost got it. Oh, I know. Tell me all about it. Oh, it's out now. There you go. Come on. Come on.
She's lifting her head a lot.
There you go. Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter, sweetie?
Tell me time. She's being on my tummy. Like, if this is your idea of fun, you're so at a mistake.
Jillian, sweetie. Oh, what's the matter, honey? Bibi, get out of the kitchen. Oh, what's the matter? Oh, Mama's got a toy for you. Mama's got a toy for you.
Get out of here.
Bibi, in.
Oh.
It's okay, sweetie.
Okay. She moved herself to this corner?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Yes. You're like, I'm done with this.
Why don't you sit her down, sweetheart?
Huh?
Sit her down.
You're done with this.
Just leave her.
She won't sit up by herself though.
Just leave her like that and see. See if that's any better.
No.
Oh, I'm not having none of that, huh?
No.
I'm not having none of that.
This is not what I signed up for. Oh. This is not what I signed up for. Okay.